Today, we are taking the girls to see Santa. Every year, we visit him at the Santa Workshop Experience. They used to be located at the Millenia Mall, and in 2020, they relocated to Icon Park in Orlando, Florida. These guys are the best. Like real elves making Christmas magic come to life for your kids. What are we doing, Autumn?
We're going to see Santa.
Are you excited?
Yes.
And what are you going to talk to Santa about?
What I want for Christmas.
And what are you going to ask him for?
A Nintendo Switch.
Oh boy.
What?
You think Santa will deliver?
Yes.
Why?
Because he always does.
Have you ever been nervous to see Santa?
Yes.
What would you say to kids who are nervous to meet Santa for the first time?
Don't be scared, it's just Santa.
Hey, look who's here! In this video, we'll show the full experience, including tips on how to help your little ones get that perfect smiling Santa picture. What are we here to do? Are you excited? Are you nervous? What are you gonna ask Santa? You want Kara's tent for your American Girl doll? Maddie, are you excited to meet Santa? Girl, show Maddie Santa. Santa! Are you excited, Maddie? We gotta help Maddie to not be nervous. Here we go. Are you ready, Maddie? Are you excited? Let's go! You wanna get a picture with the polar bear? All right, go on. Ready?
If you will, you guys can feel free to take photos here. We got a bunch of set up areas, photos by the trees, with the bears and the ponds. Bench. Feel free to just hang out in this area, take your own pictures, and then once the photos are done, we'll just call you on over to that side.
Thank you. You want to sit there with it? Cheese girl. Maddie, are you gonna sit down with Santa? Yeah, you're gonna sit down on his lap? He's over there. Are you excited? You say hi, Santa? Hi. He's got a big beard. Have you ever seen that before? Yeah? Have you seen that? Yeah.
What Santa looks like. So introduce the idea of seeing him and smiling at him.
Are you gonna smile, Santa? Yeah?
Smile, smile, smile. Yay! All right, now come over here. Put your presents down.
Not us.
Now, right over here.
Whoa.
You can do it. Come on. Come on. Up here first. Ready? Let's get back. Now look at my little.
So cute.
There you go.
a photo of
Come here, zoom in. You put the phone over. All right, little sister, come around this way. What's your name? Macy? All right, Macy, can you put your knees right here? Mom, you come over to this side. Put your hands up here. What's your name? Anna. Look a little higher. Now look back. Look at me, right? 1, 2, 3. Look at me.
So cute.
All right, now come over to the fireplace. Sit right down here next to the boots. Boots right there, boots right here. And look at Mama. Look at her. Look at me. All right, ready to go see Santa? Let's go around this way. Are you guys doing a family shot with the girls?
Yes.
Okay, and then anybody else you want in after that, you organize it.
Okay,
Okay?
will do.
Come on, Crystal. Come on over on this side. Now, how old are you? How old are you now? 5? Do you go to school yet? Do you go to kindergarten or pre-K? Kindergarten? What's your teacher's name? Is she really nice? And what's your best friend at school? You have a lot of friends, don't you? Ready? Look at this camera and smile big. Smile. Smile big. Say cheese, cheese, smile, smile, smile. Lee, both my presents. We're going to put this one here. Let's get a little red one for you. Now, on the count of 3, everybody open your mouth as big as you can. 1, 2, 3. Very good. Stay right there. Just Smile. Smile. Super good. Now we're going to take turns. Would you go sit on the We have your Smile over here. Smile. Smile.
Yes.
Are you gonna sit on Santa's lap like Macy? Are you gonna sit up there, Maddie? Yeah?
Show me your big smile. Smile, smile, smile. Sorry, Lee. Is that real, Emma? Let me take Look up here. That's great. Tell Sister to come over here. Oh, there you are. Hide behind me. Come around this side. Nice break out. Look over here. Smile. Smile. Smile.
So happy.
Hey, can you tell Santa what you want for Christmas? Use that hand. No, use that. That one, the one that's hiding.
Yeah, I said that's up there. Okay, she does it in like okay. She does it.
Yeah, do it.
Yeah, sure. I mean, it'll be done by the time. Yeah. Hey, Dave. When you guys look straight up, don't you have any idle resolutions? Yeah. Oh, this looks like it's yeah.
Very good. good. Smile, smile. Yeah, put this arm straight down, right down. Okay. So you can turn sideways a little bit on that side for you two to hold. And let's get your red tag. Here we are. Everybody ready? Smile up here. Say cheese, cheese. Smile, smile, smile. Oh, this is looking good. Don't move. Just get better and better. Put that on behind Santa. Put that on behind Santa. Like that, like that, like that. Okay, look for a big hug. Santa, you gotta get over here. You gotta get in. You gotta get this one in here somewhere. Everybody heads close together. Big smiles. Smile up here. Say cheese, cheese, cheese. And on the count of 3, everybody opens your mouth big. 1, 2, 3.
Are you ready to sit on Santa like Macy did? You want me to take you? Come here. I'll take you. I'll take you over there.
Are you mom?
No, but she's coming with me.
Go over. You sit. Put it on your knee, look towards me. Put her on this leg, look towards me. Now, where's Elmo? Where's Elmo? Can you hold this?
Get out.
You're going to hold the back of her dress. Because you have to throw it to me.
You throw
Can
the
you
ball?
throw it to me?
You throw the ball?
Well, let's see if you can do Minnie. See if you can do Minnie. Now throw it to me. Throw it. 1, 2, 3. Throw it. Here it comes again. Maybe put 2 hands on it, like this. Watch, watch, watch. Here it comes. 1, 2, 3. That's it. Now let's do this one too. Watch.
Oh, she like that one.
Push the button. Push the button. Can you push it? Can you push
Over here we
it?
do the green
Push it
screen.
like this. Take your fingers. Push it right there. 2, 3. And give me your finger. Do it like this.
That was a good one.
Do it again. 1, 2. Here it comes again. 1. Here, push it. Push the button. Push the button. Now watch his nose. There it is. Can you do
Maddie, say cheese.
yourself? Push it. Push it. Push it, Maddie. Push it. You do it. You do it. I'll give it to you. Here it comes. Watch. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Maddie, look up here.
That was a
Watch
good
his
one.
nose. Watch his nose. He goes way up here like that.
Say cheese.
Then push the button. Push it, Maddie. Push it, Maddie. Push it, Maddie. Here it comes. Here it comes. Ready?
The chair is.
Maddie. Maddie. 1. Let's look. Look at this. 2. Look. Santa slide over this way. I've done that before.
That was the best.
Way over here. Really should way over here. Spin that out just a little bit.
Yeah, they're so good.
Wicked angle here. Maddie, what did you see? This one? The yellow one?
Ooh.
The pink one? Pink one? Look, Maddie. Smile. Smile. Okay, watch it. Here it is. Maddie. Maddie. Smile.
Cheese.
Smile. Here it comes. Tick, 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 tickle.
Say cheese.
Maddie. Tick, 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 tickle. Look up here. One more. Tick, 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 tickle. Maddie. Look. 1, 2, 3. Maddie.
Cheese.
Smile.
Maddie.
Maddie. Where's Elmo? There he is. There he is. There he is. There he
Cheese.
is.
Good job. Use that old Maddie.
Let's see if Santa's got a surprise for you, girl. I think so. I lost track.
What is it, Maddie? You want to Santa?
Woo.
Say thank you.
To tell you the truth, John, and all the excitement, I don't know whether it was 5 or 6.
Say thank you. Thank you.
Yay.
Thank you, Santa.
Thank you.
Thank you. Merry Christmas, Santa.
Merry Christmas.
Once you visit Santa, you can choose to purchase half-off tickets for adults for a ride on the wheel at Icon Park. Plus, kids are free.
Look at you, Macy.
Sweet face.
Macy, what'd you tell Santa you want? The carrot head?
One gift. Oh, look at that angel face.
Did you ask something for Santa?
Aww. Hey, that looks good.
What'd you ask Santa for?
I wanted
A Nintendo Switch.
There are so many things to do within walking distance, along with great restaurants too. Parking in the garage is free, and you can buy tokens for the arcade as well. Be sure to like and subscribe to More Time to Gather for more fun family adventures. Oh, and ring the bell for notifications on new videos.
more time together.